We got a couple sets of rock sliders to compare it to. And obviously you can see those aren't Westcott. But when I look at these, it looks like somebody welded these and somebody else welded these and somebody else welded these, because these welds here don't match with these welds here or these welds here. So I don't know. I kind of like when we weld our rock sliders, them to be consistent when we do them. So all the welds all match throughout the rock slider. I don't know, some people, I guess that doesn't bother them, or their attention to detail isn't what our attention to detail is, or my attention to detail. I'm very OCD about everything we do. So I like to share that with customers that, like, hey, if we're gonna build something, I want it to be consistent from start to finish and not have where it looks like different people were involved in building this and it doesn't stand with what our brand obviously is. So what are your thoughts? Kind of want to hear what you have to say. Does this concern you? Does it bother you? Do you, at the end of the day, do you care? Is it more about price or discount, or is it more about quality? Please comment below. We'd love to hear from you on this. You know, hey, if some people said, hey, I don't really care, maybe we come out with a lower line rock slider. I don't know, but I'm asking you guys as customers and people out there in the real world, what are your thoughts? Please answer. Would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you guys maybe get something out of this, or really in your can either see the difference, or you can't see the value or can't see the difference. But let us know what your thoughts are. Thanks so much.